Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL WP50 and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. First step, you must turn on your mobile data. When you turn on it, choose open settings and choose second option where we turn on our mobile data network and on our SIM card, where we have our data warming and limit, and there we can set it. First step, we can set when our sale start, maybe first day of each month. There by this switch we can turn on and turn off our data warming, and we can set it in gigabytes, megabytes, what you prefer. And there we can turn on our data usage, turn on it, confirm by OK, and we can easily set it maybe on 9 gigabytes or megabytes, the same style with warming. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.